Jai Sriman Narayana. Sixth sloka of 11th chapter of Srimad Bhagavad Gita. Please repeat. Pasya Adityan Vasun Rudran Asvinau Marutastadha Bahuni Adruštapurvani Pasya Ascharyani Bharata Om. Realize that if you see Sri Krishna Paramatma, you are an equivalent that you have seen all the Devatas, because all the Devatas are there in Sri Krishna Paramatma. Krishna Paramatma is proving that he is in all the Devatas and all the Devatas are within him. So internally, externally, his pervasiveness is proved. That is why he is called as Narayana. Whatever is not seen before you by you is also being seen in this Sri Krishna Paramatma's divine universal form. While seeing Sri Krishna Paramatma, you can enjoy everything in Sri Krishna Paramatma. As an essence of entire Bhagavad Gita, Krishna Paramatma strongly asking you to surrender to him alone. Krishna Paramatma says, "Come to me, surrender to me alone, do not cry. Mamekam Saranam Vraja Ma Suchaha." Now you must respond back to Sri Krishna Paramatma within your bhavana, following these lines. Ho Krishna, Ho Sriman Narayana, I shall realize and I shall always remember that if I have seen you, I will be an equivalent that I have seen all the Devatas. Ho Krishna, O Sriman Narayana, because that you are internally and externally pervaded everywhere, you are called as Narayana. O Krishna, O Sriman Narayana, I shall surrender to you alone, I shall not cry. Sriman Narayana, Karishye Vachanam Tava, I shall obey your orders. Please help me act according to your heart. Sarvam Sri Krishnarpanamastu. Jai Sriman Narayana. Now let us learn Srimad Bhagavatam. Namaskaram to Srimad Bhagavatam. Nigamakalpataror galitam phalam sukamukhadamrutadrava sanyutam pibata bhagavatam rasamalayam Muhuraho Rasika Bhuvi Bhavukaha. Namaskaram to Sri Sukha Yogindra. Yam Pravrajantamanupeta Krutyam Dvaipayano Virahakatara Ajuhava Putreti Tanmayataya Taravobhineduhu Tam Sarvabhuta Hrudayam Munimanatosmi. Namaskaram to Naranarayana, Chaturmukha Brahma, Saraswati Devi, Vyasa Maharshi. Narayanam Namaskritya Naram Chaiva Narottamam Devim Saraswatim Vyasam Tato Jayam Vudirayet. Srimad Bhagavatamo Dasamaskandhamu 158th day. Suta Maharshi giving his discourse to Saunaka and other Maharshis, saying that, O Maharshis, Sri Sukha Yogindra teaching Srimad Bhagavatam to Parikshin Narendra, saying that, "O Parikshit Narendra, Balakrishna unrooted both trees. From those two trees, Siddha Purushas came out and praying Sri Krishna Paramatma like this: O Krishna, you are the root cause of this entire universe. This entire universe is your body. Tvamekaha sarvabhutanam dehasu atmendriya ishvaraha. You are the one who controls the sensory organs of all living beings. Tvameva kalo bhagavan Vishnu avyaya ishvaraha. You are the time. You are the one who orders death, who controls death. You are all pervasive, yet you would not be tainted by any of the contamination of any of living beings. O Krishna, even when you come down in a human form, still you carry all of your divine, unlimited attributes, qualities, and your supremacy will never go down. You always stay paripurna, content and complete. Tasmai tubhyam bhagavate vasudevaya vedhase atmadyota gunaihi chennamahimne brahmane namaha. మొదలన్ యవ్వని అవతారములు శరీరులందు సరిదొడ్డులోని వీర్యముల తనువులడరన్ జన్మించి. You come down in different forms and you will be hiding all of your divine glories with your effulgence. O Deva, you are Deva Deva. Such, O Paramesha, Mrokyadamaya Niku. O Paramapurusha, we are doing namaskaram. O Vasudeva, you are everything. O Parabrahma, we are bowing our heads and doing namaskaram to you. Like that, those Siddha Purushas praying Sri Krishna Paramatma. What happens next, we will learn tomorrow. Om Shri Krishna Parabrahmane Namaha. Om Asmadgurubhyo Namaha. Mukundamala. Krishna Rakshatuno Jagatraya Guruhu. Krishnam Namasyamyaham. Krishnena Marasetravo Vinihataha. Krishnaya Tasmai Namaha. Krishnadeva Samuthitam Jagadidam. Krishnasya dasosmyaham. Krishne tishtati visvametadakhilam. He Krishna samrakshamam. Srimad Bhagavad Gita 11th chapter 6th sloka. Pasyadityan vasun rudran asvinau marutastadha bahuni adrishtapurvani పశ్యాశ్చర్యాని భారత. పశ్యాదిత్యాన్ వసూన్ రుద్రానశ్వినౌ మరుతస్తథా బహూని అదృష్టపూర్వాణి పశ్యాశ్చర్యాని భారత. శ్రీమన్నారాయణ కరిష్యే వచనం తవ. సర్వం శ్రీకృష్ణార్పణమస్తు. జై శ్రీమన్నారాయణ.